Hello you all, it's time for some washi tape. It's from EB and it's quite new and well, it's just a super fun, cute, big online store and they sell a lot of washi tape and EB asked me if I want to promote their washi tape and I had to say yes, of course, because yes, washi tape, I just love washi tape. So yeah, here we go. And well, thank you EB for asking me, because yeah, I do a lot of different craftings than journaling. So I think it's really cool they asked me to give me their washi tape to create something. So yeah, I'm really excited to do it, and it's quite new to me. But yeah, let's go for it. And right now I'm going to unbox it. And since it was gifted by EB, I didn't have to pay for it, so it's all sponsored. And I will also have a discount code for you, but that's what you will find in the description box. So yeah, I will show you quick this little book. It's from EB, and you can see a lot of inspiration in this little book. So yeah, it's really a cute booklet to use to get your inspiration, because besides what you normally do. Because look at it, so many great projects. So yeah, here we go. And I have chosen for these gorgeous, yeah, I think you can call it Kawaii tape. And I just love it. I think it's so super cute. It's so darling. When I saw it, I just needed to work with it. And yeah, let me show you what's inside. When you receive it, it's in some plastic tape rolls, but I already packed it out because otherwise I had to do it. So that's, yeah, something you don't have to see, I suppose. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to unwrap it all. And let's start with this one. It's so super cute. Look at this. Look how cute. Ah, it's just okay. And this is my first time using it, so that's also really so I can tell how it works, but I can feel it's really, oh, it's really powerful. It's really sticky. Okay, this is something pretty. I always want something to be in good quality, of course, and you never know. But I already read of these tapes that it is good quality. Because before I'm going to start with a brand, I just need to know if it's good quality, because otherwise I don't want to. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Can you see how super cute it is? I'm taping along my chit chat, but yeah, I'm opening this one. I'm looking for this also with the gold foil. Look how super cute is this one. Oh, I can't believe it. It's just super cute. Oh, it's so tiny and there's a lot to see. Look, all those cute animals, those bears, those rabbits. Super cute. And I really love the gold foil, and also the quality. It's really pretty. Then she has sent me those really small ones, and I love some small tape. Oh, look at those. So super cute. This is just gorgeous. Love it. Well, maybe I can do it over here. Can you see it? Yeah. Let's try something else. But it's really good quality because it's sturdy. It's I can feel it. Look, those sheeps on the rainbow. Isn't it way too cute? Love it. Oh, we all love good washi, don't we? This is just so adorable. Oh, look at this one. So cute. And yeah, it's a little bit like Japanese, and I'm really not into the Japanese crafts, but I'm always drawn to those stores because sometimes, so now and then, last year in Sweden I was sewing a Kawaii store, and oh, It was so gorgeous, but I didn't bought anything because, yeah, it's not really something I normally use. But for now I thought maybe this is the time. And this is just, it's super sturdy. So it's really sticky. Oh my goodness, look at this. Way too cute. Love it. I almost can use a scissor to break it down. Oh, let me see it. Uber cute. I don't know, is uber cute something you say in English? But oh my goodness, look at those. So cute, so darling. Oh, this is way too cute. Well, just one more. Yay. Oh, look, I'm this far and this is already this cute. Oh my goodness. Let's continue. Oh, this is also so cute. Look. Oh, this is just so much fun. How I'm going to do this. Well, over here. And I want it all on one page, of course. Did not really thought about it. Ah, oh, look at those. Yummy. So cute. And since this is my first washi tape craft together with a brand, yeah, it's just brand new, so I have to figure it out how I'm going to do it. But I am super excited. I just love she has asked me to do it. Also this one. So super cute. Oh, perfect. And you can see it's great. Love it. I'll have to make it a little bit more neat. So then we are back with the larger ones. Oh my goodness, happy. Well, look, so cute. Oh, so darling. Happy, yay. I'm happy. Ah, the bigger one is a little bit more easier to rip. Oh, look at this one. Beautiful color. Gorgeous to combine. Love it. Then we've got, oh, I really like gold foil. Oh, look at it, so cute. Way too cute. Then we've got something others. There's a party going on this tape, on this roll. And I am invited. Yay! Oh, this is way too cute. Darling, darling. I can't get over the cutiness. And we all love it, don't we? Some cutiness. Oh, and also this one. Oh, this I can't imagine. Oh, this is way too cool. Look. Ah, just gorgeous. And all those colors on my page, it's just really, it's just like samples, but yeah, it's really getting there. This is also really gorgeous. Oh, that's really cute. Ginger cat, black, white, grey. They're all so cute, aren't they? I can't tell it, oh, I can't say anything else but cuteness. Well, nah, that's not what I want. Let's do it over here. Then we've got just this one as last one. But yay, oh, super adorable. I just love it. And I'll place it here. So, look, those are all the gorgeous washi tape I just received. Isn't it super pretty? Let's start here. Oh, the gold foil, you can see it lighting up in my camera. Gorgeous. Super cute. Oh, this is so much fun. I really love the colors. I really love the fact that are different colors, different styles. It's, yeah, it's one style, but it's different from each other. It's really great, I think. Oh, so much fun. Love it. And then we've got those small ones. Look, so pretty. I think it's just, well, this is the part where I started to roll it off, so that's a little bit shaky, but yeah, oh, gorgeous tapes. Well, let me know, what do you think of it? So Evie, thank you so much for asking me, because I really love it, and I can't wait to get started with it. So thank you very much for watching. In the description box you will find all the information you will need, and well, see you the next time. Thank you, bye bye.